So hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the problem maximum width of a tree. So given a binary tree, find the maximum width of it. Maximum width is defined as the maximum number of nodes in any level. For example, maximum width of the following tree is 4 and there are 4 nodes at the third level. So the explanation is also given how they have calculated the maximum width. That is, we have to return the number of nodes which are on a particular level, that is the maximum number of nodes on a particular in the given binary tree. So let's see this how we are going to solve this. So for example, we have this tree, right? So what will be the maximum width of this tree? So you can see that the width is something like this, right? So this, the total distance is called the width, right? So how we will calculate the width now? So you can see that at every level there are some nodes, right? So for example, at level 1 we have one node. At level 2 we have 2 nodes. At level 3 we have 4 nodes, and at level 4 we have 1 node. So what we have to output is, we have to simply output the maximum values of these 4 values that we have taken out. So that is the answer for this case will be 4. So I guess now you have got a fairly good idea of what is the width of a tree. So now how we will solve this? So this will also be similarly solved by the code that we have previously done, which was of level order traversal line by line. Okay, so what we will do is simply we will traverse this given tree line by line, and we know that while we are traversing given binary tree in the level order fashion, we will always store the nodes of a particular level into our queue. So what we will do is, whenever we are storing the nodes of a particular level into our queue, we will simply calculate the size of the queue at that particular point of time, and we will compare it with our maximum value. So for example, initially we will have our maximum variable, in that the value will be int, min or 0, you can keep anything. So when it will be compared with the first time, so it will have the value as 1, because for level 1 the value number of nodes will be 1. For level 2 it will be 2, so it will be updated to 2, and when we will traverse the nodes of the level 3rd, it will be 4, so it will be updated to 4, and then again when we will count the number of nodes in the 4th level, it will be 1 only, so we will not update this value. So finally we will get the output in our max variable. So this is the logic for this code. Now let's see the code for this. So we have the function called getMaxWidth, and the parameter passed is root. Okay, so we have written the base condition, that is, if root equals to null, we will simply return 0. We have created a queue because we are going to do the level order traversal. We have initially pushed the root node into our queue, and we have taken a variable ma because we have to store the maximum value of all the number of nodes of a particular level. So that is why we have taken ma and we have assigned it to int width. So what we are going to do is, we are going to run a loop, while loop, that is q.empty equals to false, int count equals to q.size. So basically what here we are doing is, we are calculating the number of nodes at a particular level. So that will be stored in count variable. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to compare it with the previous ma value. If it is greater than the previous ma value, we are going to update it into the ma variable, otherwise we are simply going to skip it and not going to do anything. And this while condition is doing nothing but the level order traversal that we have seen previously also. So once this entire while loop is executed, we have our answer stored in our ma variable, that is the maximum number of nodes at a given in a given binary tree, and we will simply return our ma variable. So let's now try to submit this code. So you can see the problem is solved successfully and the code is submitted. So thanks for watching.